2014 Ford Fiesta. We have taken off your oil sump, and this is your oil pump, and look how blocked it is. This was not letting any oil coming through and up to the engine. All this material is timing belt, so it is mandatory that you replace your oil pump and your oil pump belt and the timing belt. We did all the checks, and there was residue of metal filings in the oil when we drained the oil. This is from the main bearings underneath this plate. You have bearings there. It is just a precaution that these bearings may be worn, but they're not mandatory. The only thing that are mandatory is oil pump and your timing belt. Another thing we saw was this side, the coil spring is cracked and snapped, so you need to replace that as it won't pass MOT, and we recommend you do it on both sides of the vehicle. Also, your brake discs look to have 15 to 20% rust. This is rust, so it's on both sides. So on your next brake pad service, brake pad replacement, we would recommend to do discs as well, as I think your discs may be warped and disformed. Also, your front tires are nearly on the legal limit, so would recommend, this one is on this legal limit here. I would recommend you replace both front tires as well. Thank you for using AutoNet, and we'll get this job done.